Welcome to Business Notes. I'm your host, Diane Bogino. Our guest today is Gary W. Patterson, the Fiscal Doctor. Gary has helped several hundred companies from startups to Fortune 500 firms in industries ranging from low-tech supply chain distribution and construction to high-tech software, service, and logistics. Gary holds an MBA in Finance and Operations from Stanford, a BBA in Accounting from the University of Mississippi, is a Big Four CPA, and an NSA speaker. Gary is also the author of Stick Out Your Balance Sheet and Cough, Best Practices for Long-Term Business Health, and his forthcoming book, Find Your $1 Million Blind Spots. He speaks on enterprise risk management, risk analysis, and leadership. Gary, welcome back.
Glad to be here.
So Gary, now you say that pricing models need repair when leaders hear statements like accounting thinks you're losing money on certain types of sales, and then sales says they can't get the information they need to make proposals in a reasonable time frame. And even worse is when customers complain about turnaround times on your proposals.
None of those are good to hear. Any of those indicates you probably have a problem you need to do something about. Two of them, the problem gets bigger, and if you've heard all three of them, you really should consider it, because it's a symptom. I mean, it's a scream for help on these things, because you got to be able to, you and I, whatever it's a service or a product, we've got to come back and be able to timely give a proposal to someone that we can make some money on and that people feel they've been addressed. Or those companies will just sort of drift away and somebody will take better care of our clients than we did, and they won't be our clients anymore.